Alright. What do we got today? Hell yes. And we get to steal the fighting portal away from him? Hell yeah, dude. I'll do that every day of the week. Take you, you, and you. Where we at? Where we at? Damn. Damn. Okay, no babies, unfortunately. I think we'll play Bug here. At least to start. We could get an early Iggly buff, so I'm still going to hold on to this for as long as I can. Maybe we get an Eevee game. Dude, that Jolteon game, though? Holy shit. Okay. I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one, Chief. Oh my gosh. The waiting time. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait. Hold on. Surely not, right? Oh no. That team would be so bad though. I'm not gonna do it. I'll have to go into the think tank for that one. Alright, let's just take a look. Flies away and lands in the back line, sleep for 2 seconds and heals. Okay. I mean, we could figure it out. And then take this. And then, wait a minute, take you, sell here. Here, you guys. And... shit. I guess I have to get rid of you. That's fine. I do like the healing. The healing is good. And it attacks really fast. Like, it's got pretty good speed. Oh, no way. I don't even want that. Nope. I'm not falling for it. Not this game. Nope. I'm sticking to my plan here. Alright. I don't know what my plan is, but... we're gonna figure it out. So, okay. Don't worry about that. We have... Is this possible? Can I get all 3 of these? I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Maybe you need shiny magic, but even then, like, you can't... because you have to go to 3 different regions, so you have to... Uh-oh. What are the odds on everything? Like, what's the best region for each one? Did it heal? It almost didn't look like it healed. Bro, don't have a shitty ability that also doesn't work. What the fuck? Okay, sell you. Bug flying. You paralyze things. Field looks so good. I'm just gonna take this. Sell you. And here. Throw you in. Sure, why not? Why not? Yeah, so... it's weird, right? Regions. Show me. So is there 1 per? Yeah. Okay. So we want to take... well, I think what we do is we take flying to begin with and hope that it's... who's here? Oh, okay. I see. Oh no, flying bad, hang on. Normal? Okay, I feel like I'm only seeing pit of. Okay. Now, here's the thing, you'll eventually be... yeah, I think what we do is we sell here, grab you, hold this. Try to play dragon flying? That seems lofty. Okay. So, yeah, I mean, because we're going for low-level shit, right? So it only makes sense that we try to hyper-roll dragons. Right? Well, we're gonna. I don't know if it does, but we're gonna. So I don't need to be in there. I need to be in this. So let's take a look for dragons, right? If we take a dragon portal, we're looking at Pit of, we're looking at Starly. These are Pit of, that's a Starly. Is it just, oh, it's down to luck, isn't it? Okay. Damn. Well, guess I gotta hold 2, right? Got to. Didn't somebody make a, hang on. I gotta go into the Discord. I'm pretty sure somebody made a unit odds? No. Flying, hyper roll. No, I don't think so. I swear to God, somebody did the odds. Get the regional bird you want. If you want new region data, Starly 15, other bird. Get the regional bird you want updated. Okay, let's see if we can't. Holy fuck. That is a lot of information. I'm gonna take this. We'll go ahead and sell you. Yeah, I'll take both of these. Holy shit. Okay, so yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm gonna fluffy tail first, so that way we don't fall asleep. We just get the benefits of the heal. I'll probably just do flame orb because that just makes sense. And then I don't know what else we'll do. It already attacks pretty quick. Its defenses aren't the best. So maybe we do okay doll? Maybe. It's good stuff though. So now when it gets its ability, it'll come back here, it'll heal, but not fall asleep, so it gets to keep attacking. God, that is abysmal. That is not good. Okay, we'll take these, we'll roll. Yep, we'll roll. And again. Now here's the problem. If we don't get, like if we get a Pit of region again, we can't do it. Right? I'll take that. That's fine. Okay. I have to hit this. Yeah, I wasn't thinking, but I have to hit it. And then I need... Okay. Well, sure. There it is. So, Unfazant, or Unfazunt, or whatever the fuck its name is. Alright. Surely it beats Gyarados on its own, right? Probably. Oh yeah, look at that damage. Don't die. Yeah, we're good. So good. Okay. Hold the Ditto. Double Dragon, flying. Okay, I want flying though, and I need to take a portal here, so... You? I don't know. Here's to hoping. Here's to hoping. Okay, we're good. We got Starly. Yeah, I mean, these are flying types. They're good. I'm taking them. So, bugs in. No. No. Okay, so we drop you in. We can get Dragon by dropping the Unfazant, but I'm not gonna do that. Am I? I mean, I should. Holy shit. Maybe just one of them. Yeah, I know that's missing out on a lot, but I can't just drop this thing. I can't. Okay, Drampaw. Damn, Fluffy Tail Flame Orb on Axew already. I wonder what typing they're gonna go for. Ooh, they should play a little bit of Artificial and see if they can get Silk Scarf. That'd be cool. Damn, Drampaw's ability is so cool. Alright. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna be fine. I hate this. This is bad. Oh no. No. I need... Is there a typing that I could make on Fazant to be decent? I could make it a fire type. And then we would have... No, surely not. Maybe. I'm gonna take this. Sell you, grab here. I've got to put this in. I need to put that in. There's just no way. Yeah, okay. And then we grab the commons. Because we're still in common territory, right? I want to be as low as possible for the rest of the game. Because I need to take a Pidgey region. Okay, so we want a Pidgey. Human Psychic Amorphous, Aquatic Bug Wild. What do we want? Flying? Dragon Flying Gourmet. God, there's so many. It's such a big table. How am I supposed to do this in-game? Grass Aquatic Baby, Aquatic Fossil Baby. Are there any, like, guaranteed synergies that'll do it? Or do you see everything multiple times? It seems like it's just going to be random. Okay. I'm just going to roll it. And again, yes please. Grab you. Oh, wait a minute. Don't tell me I can't have it. You're a dragon and a flying type. Is it one of those things where it technically counts as... Don't do that to me. Please don't do that to me. Can I not get it? We haven't seen one yet, but that doesn't mean that we're not going to see one. I just have to hold out hope. Is this ranged? Huh? These are ranged? I didn't know that. I thought these were... Hold on. Did they change these? 66 special damage. It's based on, like, the amount of things that are on the board that are copies of it, right? Holy... Wait a minute. Unfazant is actually goated? Heal? Hold on. Heal stall? Wait. Okay, red orb just absolutely ruined us there, but if Jigglypuff didn't have a red orb, like, we would have been fine. Okay, no, so we can get it. That's good. And then roll. And again. And again. Uh-oh. I don't really have space for these guys yet. I need to get my other guys. You know? Okay. Alright. I see. What do I want for our final item? Punching glove? No, that kind of defeats the purpose. I need to fix my positioning a little bit. Now that I know that these guys are ranged, I can actually... Because I thought I was just going to have to, like, kind of lose out on the positioning because of the light spot. But... Damn. Maybe Shell Bell? Because, like, no, I think Pokédoll is probably better. But we might not even get... Maybe... Stardust? I mean, it's right here, right? Yeah, I should probably just do that. Okay, roll. And again. And again. Keep going. Holy shit. Okay, that sucks. I could hit here, grab you, but I can just hold you. I want to do Stardust. I'm gonna do Stardust. I think that's actually good. I think. Because it attacks really fast. We'll heal up. And we'll gain a little bit of shield. So that way we're coming back in with a little bit of a protection. Yeah, I think that's worth it. Yeah. Okay. I don't know about that. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. We could... It's probably just take this. And then, like, either cleanse tag or Gracidia flower or something. Okay. I can drop these guys back like this. And feel a little better about myself. But now we need to figure this out. You know what? Actually... I feel like I should... Maybe I should just sell these guys. You know what? That was dumb. That was really dumb. That was really stupid. Can't go back now. Okay, well, I didn't hit the Dragonair in time, but... Damn, that's crazy. Okay, roll. Yes, please. Roll. Yes, please. Roll. There it is. So we hit Salamence. Sure. 28 health. Oh my god. This is terrifying. Grass type Hoopa. Interesting. Grass dark. A little bit of psychic. Interesting. Cool. Jesus Christ. Okay. Roll. And again. And again. And again. Okay. There's Charmander. Oh, I can sell you. Pick you up. And one more time. Okay. Well, I can hold that for a turn, right? Because it's not going to give me anything. We're at 5, so this is the team for now. Swap these two. Cleanse tag here. Okay. So now we're gaining like just that little bit of beginning protection, right? Oh my crit. Oh god. Yeah, we're not going to be able to stand to these teams, unfortunately. I don't know how we can do this. I don't even know if having the shiny Magikarps works, right? Because if you think about it, you literally have to stay at level 5, maybe 6, all the way until Lugia, right? Hit here by you, roll, and again, and we'll take that one, and we'll roll. Oh, and again. Yep. Okay, so then we hit here, we buy that. I don't know. This is horrible. Okay, Gracidia flowers, Shellbell you. Sure. I'd rather Shellbell you, but you're not in. I guess I could drop you in like that. That is surely not worth it. But you know what? That's what we're here to do, so that's what we're doing. And shift everything over one, maybe. God, this is bad. Good. We might be fine. Oh my lord. Never mind. Blossom just absolutely ruining. That's crazy, dude. Yeah, I don't know if this is viable. Because we high rolled pretty hard too, you know? It's just the virtue of you have to stay low level, right? So that way you can actually roll your commons. So I guess what you have to do is win early, but you can't start with Pit of. I bet that's what it is. You can't start with Pit of, and you can't try to put items on Pit. I think that's what we're learning. I think we're learning that even if you put items on Pit of, like, they're more useful on a different unit. So That kind of sucks, but it was still it was super cool. Super cool, and like we almost got, see, that's my point, is like we high rolled really hard. We were very close to Star Raptor. We would have been on to Pidgey. But like if we're at 6 and everybody else is at 7, going on 8, and they're not playing Pidove, like I don't know what the, we even hit Salamence pretty quick. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I really don't. I think the obvious plan is to just bail on these guys and focus on these guys. But I want to try where like you have all 3 of the regional birds. But because they got rid of the shiny item, because I was thinking like gold bottle cap off of Magikarp is probably the only way you can do it, or repeat ball, I guess. Because then you can win early just because you have stronger units early, right? So if you start with Pidgey and then you 3-star Pidgey before Gyarados, you're probably doing pretty decent in rounds. I don't know. Even Starly I think is pretty strong, but Pidove is not. I thought for a second there we were onto something, because like we were, it was dealing some pretty decent damage, but at the same time, like if I just moved these items over to Salamence, we probably had a vastly different amount of damage. Like it probably wasn't even close. So, but I don't know. Either way, that is that's the idea. Just trying to go for all 3 regional commons. I am glad that you can. I was scared for a second because we didn't see a Starly, but I'm glad that you can. I don't know if it's possible to get all 3 because you have to go so late in the game, but hey, you know what? If it is, let me know and we'll figure it out together. So on to the next one.